different. That's different.
Ew, she
Oh,
doesn't
no.
like it.
Just give it a chance. It's like nothing you've ever tasted before. Want to try again? Want to try again? Oh.
She's gonna have green fingers. Look, she's like, ew.
What is this?
Keep trying. Nom nom nom.
I feel like she's just like, I don't know.
Oh, honey.
Is it a bit rich?
Want to try this one? Want to try again or no? Big hands. Want to try again?
She's like, oh, Mom.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, big bite.
She does not like it.
Ooh, some more guacamole.
Well, she's never had anything other than